Hello! Welcome to English for Everyone, where we teach real, everyday American English. And today we're going to talk about what Americans really say when it's your birthday. First, we do not say this.
Happy 16 years old. Happy 18 years old.
That's right, you cannot say happy 16 years old. It's not correct. You can say happy 16th or happy 16th birthday, but you cannot say happy 16 years old. It's not correct. So, what do you say? You just say happy birthday. I know it seems basic and boring, but that's what we say. After you say happy birthday, you can say something else, like thanks for inviting me or the party is wonderful. But the best thing to say is just happy birthday. If you're speaking to a group of people in public, you can say happy birthday to Bob. You can use the preposition to, pronounced to. Happy birthday to Bob. Also, don't say things like all the best on your special day or many happy returns.
Another phrase that people use here is many happy returns. That actually means happy birthday and you wishing this person to have many birthdays in the future.
These are things you will see in birthday cards, written in birthday cards, but nobody says them. If you say them, you'll sound like you're reading a birthday card. People just say happy birthday. Thanks for watching. And if you want to sound natural and learn American English, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.